What's up guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Niveth Associations and today we're going to be unboxing a product that has never been featured on Niveth Associations. It is a very unlikely product that I'm going to unbox. Like, it's so big, I don't even know how it's going to fit in the frame. And you ready? We're going to be unboxing a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Like, I don't even know how I'm going to unbox this. It's so huge, it doesn't even fit inside the frame. But I'm going to try and I'm going to persevere. Let's get right to this. Okay, so let's open that seal. Let's reveal it. Okay, so this is quite new to me. And right here we have something. I wonder what this is. Must be the instructions. There's paper inside. Yeah, this is safety instructions. As you can see. Can you focus? Okay. So this is a class 1 laser product. I was not joking. There are actually lasers inside that might destroy your eyes if not handled properly. And this is intended for household use and it's Chinese. And basically this is a safety guide. Just don't misuse this, okay? Then in the end you're going to suffer and I cannot be responsible. You are responsible for your own actions, and I cannot reiterate this enough. Handle this with caution. That's all I'm saying. Anyway, okay, we have this. This must be the handle. Let's set that aside for now. This one, I think we can use this with carpets. You know, just easily can get all the dust. Let's set that aside for now. Okay, so this one, I think we can use this for floor. I get, like, you know, leaves and floor dust. We can use this only on the floor. It doesn't work on carpet, unfortunately. I'll just get it to open. Okay, let me just open this. This is where you brush you can use this with your sofa. Just two making parts. This is the body. A backup just in case. Oh, this is where you place the vacuum cleaner and then you can use this to charge. And then lastly, we have the star of the show, the vacuum cleaner itself. Here it is. In its the glory. Let's see if this turns on. Oh! That scared me. Okay. Oh, I forgot to tell you something. This one, it says our mission is simple, solve the problems others ignore. And this is where you register the vacuum cleaner. So let's open it. Assemble your machine. Then charge with all the wall lock. You don't need to use this. You can just charge it from the wall outlet. And yeah, and this is what I was talking about, laser. This one. And on the screen here, removes long hair and pet hair and between cleans. Right. And the registration information. Okay, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I've cleared the box and now we just have the vacuum cleaner and the box I forgot to unpack after going through, and turns out it contains the power adapter. You can just plug this inside, very convenient. And this thing, excuse me. Anyway, let's turn this on. English, hold the button, select a language. English selected. Right. Let's take it for a test drive. Okay, as you can see here, we have this Dyson. I need to turn this on first. So medium sounds like this. You have to press the button. Just do like that. Done. As you can see here, it'll show how much dust you have, and I haven't cleaned in a long time, so yeah. Okay, as you can see here, we use this for floor, we use this for the carpet, we use this to brush the sofa, and this one we also use to brush the sofa just in case this one breaks. And this one we see whether there's a light or not, so that's what we use. Let me demonstrate to you. You just have to plug like this and switch it on. As you see, the light will form because you want to clean the room. There'll be spaces that you cannot reach, so you want to see whether you can reach the space. Altogether this has 3 modes. So it has eco to save the battery, medium is normal, and maximum in boost is when you want to, in high intensity areas that you want to clean where there's too much dust, you can use this. It is advisable, but I don't think I'm going to be using that much. I'm probably going to be using medium, or if I want to save battery life, I'm just going to go with eco. Okay, so what does this do? It cleans the floor, and not only that, it has a little trick up its sleeve, a laser. So what does this laser do? It allows you to look for particles that you've never seen, very microscopic particles you may not even be able to see. That is very amazing. So let me demonstrate it to you. So first we need to plug it like here. If I can just, okay. Now we have to switch this on by pressing this red button. Let me switch on. As you can see, there are microscopic particles. Just have to vacuum them. So yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my videos, and future videos are going to come out soon, so stay tuned for that. And as always, Niveth 3 signing out.